Hi Cancer, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for June 2014. Cancerians, we have Venus that is going to be having its influence this entire month. We also have two planets that are going retrograde. We have Mercury and then we have Neptune that goes retrograde in the second week of June. Now this month we have Venus that is going to be shining benignly on you, which is going to make you and your partner take a quick getaway to an exotic place, and I think this is going to be doing a lot of you good. However, Mars goes and squares up to Pluto towards the end of the week, and there could be some power clashes, so try not to get into an argument about things that really don't matter, and this has to do with your closest relationships. Avoid power clashes, as this could create some amount of a friction. This could happen with either a family member or a very intimate relationship or even a sibling. So try not to get too defensive and try not to get too upset about things which are really quite small. You could feel as if ideas are being thrust upon you and you could feel quite defensive at this point of time. So this is something to chew on, Cancerians. I think it's a time for you to be more flexible to others' ideas instead of being defensive. We have new moon energy that is there in a part of your chart that has to do with spirituality and behind the scenes, and this is a time where it is really calling out. Some of you could either feel socially withdrawn, depending of course about your on your natural predisposition as to how socially active you like to be. But it's really a time where a lot of you will not want to be socializing too much. It's a time where you could be emotionally be seeking security. You could be asking or questioning things more, whether it has to do with your higher sense, whether it has to do with your relationship or life in general. You could be seeking I think a more peace of mind. You could be wanting just to recuperate or just go for long solitary walks or with your partner and just spend time alone reading books and listening to music. A lot of you would also be avoiding parties, loud places, and you would, even though for those of you whose work is there and you're required to be there, I think you could be a little uncomfortable and you could be thinking that it's getting too much and I want to get away for some time from this. It's a good time for reviewing and reassessing and looking at your goals. Mercury starts moving backwards from 7th of June, and again this is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with emotional retreat. So it's a time to be reassessing, rethinking and replanning your emotional goals, Cancerians. A lot of you could be feeling as though you're waiting for things to come together, but you would not know exactly what is it that you're waiting for. Even if you think it's some form of information that you don't have with yourself at this point of time. And stay open to your intuitive hunches. It's extremely important that you stay connected with yourself. So if there is something that is not working out right, whether in your relationship or at your work, listen to that gut, listen to that instinct. Don't sort of shrug it off and say that, oh, it's nothing, I think I should, I'm just being paranoid. Neptune retrograde is going to be causing mischief. It's going to be causing a lot of confusion around you. So for those of you who, you could be feeling very inspired and you could feel really creative at this point of time and think that, oh, I think this is my dream, what I've been waiting for all along. I need to be traveling to Timbuktu and it's such a fantastic idea. However, Neptune is also urging, the retrograde is urging you that since it is all very dreamlike, you need to have your facts and your figures in place. You need to know as to how executable or how implementable are the ideas or the inspiration that you are drawing as of now. How much of a reality does it have to it? Also, for those of you who are looking at starting out your new ventures and you're looking out, it's been your dream project and this is something that you really wanted to do your research at this point of time. It is not a good time to be running out and executing and implementing it, because there could be some facts, there could be, it could seem too good to be true, Cancer. However, things get better around the 24th when sun comes out and gives more clarity and it pierces through the Neptunian haze. It will allow you to see things for what they are. So remember to keep your feet on the ground. It's okay to have your head in the clouds, Cancer. Overall, a good month. It's been a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in July.